So now on to gardening in this beautiful day here. It's starting to get warm up, so I let the ground warm up a little bit before I put this tarp on, but this is what we're going to be doing here. I just bought some really long stakes. They're 10 inches long, and they're going to be good for staking this whole tarp down. So to lay this out, all I'm going to do is stake down the corners, and then I'm going to remove the tarp, and then I'm going to put the fertilizer from the chickens right underneath, and then I'll cover it back up. So I'm just going to lay down some stakes, and then that'll give me kind of a rough idea of where I need to put that hay from the chickens. So just watch and learn, I guess. Okay, so there we go. I have 3, 6, 7, 8 total stakes in there, just 4 on the corners and then 1 in every middle of every side. And that should just give me a rough idea where the fertilizer needs to go. So now all I have to do is just lift up the stake and then put it back in place once the tarp's removed. And then we'll just put all the straw in there, and then that'll be good. So, but I don't know if you've seen me over in that corner there, but it was pretty impressive. I could immediately feel the heat from the sun transferring to the ground. So, and there's no frost in the ground for 10 inches. So I have I'm pretty excited about this. I think this will work. It'll keep the ground heated while fermenting all that straw. So this should work pretty good. So as you could probably see, I have all the piles from the chicken coop all the way around the tarp. So I'll show you what my plan is here. I'm not guaranteeing it's going to work or not, but here we go. so I got everything all spread out here. Nice thick layer of all that manure-ridden straw. So now I'm just going to pull that tarp back over, and probably in a week or so I'll come out here with a water hose and make sure she's nice and moist. But I'm assuming, this is the first time obviously, but I'm assuming the moisture will just creep up and stay within the tarp. So I'm just going to fold it back over and that'll be it. So as you can see, I got everything all pegged down and all that stuff, and like I said before, this should be very, very good stuff to work with. It's all the chicken manure over the winter that I cleaned out of the coop there. So it's got a lot of moisture in it, and then all the ground moisture coming in from the bottom, that should help. And then that tarp will just hold all that moisture in and start composting stuff. So hopefully in a month or so time when we go to seed, this will be optimal soil to plant in. So as you can see, it started out with grass. We didn't till, no till at all. And then we just put the chicken manure with hay on there and then the tarp. So I gotta say kudos to my father-in-law. He kind of suggested to do it this way. He's doing a lot of regenerative stuff. And I'm trying to take his suggestions here and turn it into our farm as well. So here's hoping to it working. Like I said, this is only an experiment, but I really, really hope it works out so we don't have to pick so many weeds. So thanks a lot guys for watching. I appreciate it, and like and subscribe to my channel if this is your first video, and we'll see you in the next one.